Welcome, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Monday, February the 22nd. We are breaking Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our remaining 41 boxes. We got number 16, did random teams on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, everybody. Gave y'all a chance to trade. Here we go. Got this fucking thing. Well, someone's got to be happy, guys. I am already, man. This is why I tried to switch to $2 so I wouldn't fucking lose money the whole fucking first half of the series. Get stuck with 10 boxes, but can never catch a fucking break with this random. Bam! Going to be one of our Peyton Mannings, folks. You guys are hitting sick as hell. Telling you guys that random fucking hates me, man. Bam! Going to be the cult hit, the phonetics hologram on that. Well, that's going to be a Golf God hit. Very nice hit for you, Golf. Bam! Peyton Manning Eclipse Authentic. Getting brutalized again here tonight, guys. See if we can squeak out another box or so, folks. One more box. It gets us to a cash promo. That's why I tried to do it, man. I really hope this thing lets me get through a fucking series for once. Yeah, I don't know what to do, man. It's absurd how it finds every one of my big hits. I mean, before I even get halfway through a series, it's insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, guys. Bam. Gonna be Morgan and SD are going to be our qualifiers. That is qualifiers number 19 and 20. We're only 10 boxes into our series, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook. Y'all have a good one.